Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to film what I'm going to call a just for fun video to show you what I use for my yard, my own personal lawnmowers. So here's the first two, and the next two are going to be something really special. So lawnmower number one is a Troy-Bilt 21-inch 675 series. I'm going to call it about a 6.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton flathead L-head engine. I bought this off Craigslist back when people used Craigslist for I think 25 bucks. Did not come with the bag. I found one on the curb, put it on. Did come with the side chute. This is actually my sister's mower. She bought it from me after I fixed it. It hasn't been started in a while, so let's see what happens. Sounds pretty good. Lawnmower number two. This is my lawnmower. It's a Yardman. It's a 20-inch cut, 6 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. Again, flathead or L-head engine with the side chute. This one does not fit a bag. I bought this brand new from Walmart, and it is a 2002, and we got a lot of hours on this machine. Go back to the red one. It's hard to read, but it's a 2008. Yardman is a primer bulb engine, whereas the red one was a ready start. This is one of the more unusual Briggs, has the primer on the side rather than the front. Let's give this one a start. A little hard to start one-handed, especially when it wants to be a booger like that. So now I'll show the other two lawnmowers that I have. And for anyone that knows lawnmowers, you might get a kick out of them. So there are my other two personal lawnmowers. They are Lawn Boys, 2-cycle from the late 70s. And they both run. I'll give you the backstory and a start on these. First one, it's a 19-inch deluxe. It is a 5269G model. This is actually my dad's, but I've commandeered it. He got this, he took some kind of small engine course when he was young. Somehow or other, at the end of the course, he kept the lawnmower. after I paid something for it. But we've used this mower for many years. It's been a good one. And we'll see if we can wake it up here today. Put the fuel on. If only we had smell-o-vision. For those of you that don't know, 2-cycle, they have oil in the gas, and these old lawn boys, they smell fantastic. So the other lawn boy I have, basically the same thing, but it's a 21-inch cut. It is a 7260G. Probably won't come out. This one's my lawnmower. I bought this off of an online auction website. I won't say the name of it. The seller was only 2 hours away. I put in a minimum bid of 25 bucks and I won. I asked her before if it had a straight crankshaft, if it had compression. She said yes, yes. So now it's mine. Let's see if we can wake up this guy. So she had this listed as non-running. I bought it, brought it home, put gas in it, and that's all I did. I did clean the carburetor, but it looked okay. So I don't know what she did wrong with it, but I got me a good running old lawn boy for 25 bucks. So there you have it. All 4 of my personal push lawnmowers. None of them are self-propelled. The only one I have the bag for is the red Troy-Bilt. But they all run great. They never let me down. And these two are my favorite.